day one, camping at some sites, 50 k's of Northampton. Got a nice bridge there, beautiful bridge, and over there you got the beautiful moon. It's beautiful actually. Like, I got here and I didn't like it because I'm so used to the city, but it's actually beautiful around here. So chilled. Cut some wood for some fire with my little axe. No, it's beautiful. And I got some swans over there in the murky, yucky waters. So this is day one. We're camping here at Kalbarri tomorrow morning.
Hey babe, I got something for you so you can stop complaining.
Day two. Woke up at like 6. It was actually a pretty good sunrise. Got a couple pics. And then we went to Kalbarri and we stopped off at the Nature's Window. It was fucking beautiful. I tell you, that view is the best view I've ever seen, ever. It was amazing. Yeah, did a little exercise, got great pics, and then we went on the road to Kalbarri and did a little sightseeing there. And the waves are huge. Like, I haven't seen the waves like that ever. And then we're back on the road and straight here to the Hamlin Station Caravan Park Stay Camp Stay. Beautiful scenery. Sunrise, bush, just chilling, listening to some beats, about to have dinner, and yeah, all around, been a pretty good day, a lot of driving, but hopefully better tomorrow as we hit Shark Bay and Monkey Mia. Got up at 6:15 something, and then had brekkie. Safe made good brekkie like usual, even though it was just each grain of some milk, but that's okay. Went to where did we go first? On the way to Shark Bay / Monkey Mia, and Sophie saw some views that she needed to check out, even though she wasn't allowed to go for driving, but she did it anyway, and it was a bit rocky, but we got there eventually. And then we stopped off at Shark Bay Resort thingy, aquarium, centre thing. Saw some big sharks, my relatives. Saw a rescued turtle. What else? Some crayfish, all that, barramundi, all that kind of stuff. And one of the most dangerous floor sea creatures around. I forgot what the name is. Stonefish, that's it, stonefish. Then we hit the road again, straight to Monkey Mia. No, stopped off to get some snacks, which I devoured in about 10 minutes. Some ice. And a hammer, because yeah, we can't keep our tent down. And then on the road to Monkey Mia, I had a sook, like Sophie said. But then when I actually got my shit together, it was actually quite fun kayaking around crystal clear waters. Saw some dolphins. They're my prey. Because I'm a relative of the shark, remember, so. Ha ha! And then had lunch, ice cream, got a sticker, bumper sticker. I reckon that was gonna look good in the back of the Corolla. And then we took off to this fucking hot tub, which is amazing. Oh my goodness gracious, man, it's so hot. Hotter than Sophie's showers, amazingly. And then saw the little lagoon, which is actually pretty beautiful. And that's where those dangerous fucking stonefish are. And then back on the road, back to camp where we were yesterday. Just cooking there, Sophie's great cook over there. Sunset. Oh, I got it right this time. Can't say sunrise again. And tomorrow we're going to Shell Beach, seeing the stromatolites. I think I said it right. And then off to our next stop, back in Northampton. A river in Northampton called the... Oh, I forgot. Because I'm new. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Vlog yesterday, apologies. So yesterday we went to Shell Beach in the morning. Sophie drove there. We stopped off at a sign, had some fun, ran on the roads, carrying on like children. That's okay. And then from Shell Beach we went to the stromatolites. I finally said it right. Pretty cool because that's like at oxygen, the first ever signs of oxygen came out of those things. So. Sick. And then we went to, well, we got the car, I drove from there to Billabong, had some lunch, had my first coffee in 3 days. I think I was off the walls for about an hour and a half driving. And yeah, we left Billabong, drove to Geraldton. Sophie showed me around a few places there. Finally had connection to a Wi-Fi, so I was so happy. And then from Geraldton, we filled up the car, some young man. Some young man, I don't think he was young, but he was about up to my nipple. Filled up the car for us. Well, not filled it up, halfway. But still, filled it up and we had a good talk about the footy. And then we drove from Geraldton to here, which is Sandy Capes. I would get out the car, but it's so fucking cold and windy out there. And the view was amazing. Watch the sunset. Had dinner. And then here we are. The back of the car hiding from the wind.
Oh. What?